I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ. When you first spawn into the vast world, your immediate goal is survival. You'll need to quickly find essential items like food and water to avoid starvation and dehydration. Look for basic tools and a melee weapon to defend yourself against the infected and other players. Remember, stealth is your best friend in the initial moments, so stay low and observe your surroundings carefully. As you progress, mastering survival mechanics becomes crucial. Always keep an eye on your character's hunger, thirst, and temperature levels to prevent sickness. Crafting is vital. A simple stone knife can open many possibilities. When you find firearms, learn about their specific ammunition and how to maintain them. Developing keen situational awareness and using stealth will significantly increase your lifespan in this unforgiving world. The world of DayZ, Chernaris, is enormous, spanning over 230 square kilometers. Learning to navigate using maps and recognizing landmarks is key to finding valuable resources. Different areas offer varying qualities of loot. Military zones, for example, yield better weapons but are extremely dangerous. Playing with one or more friends can provide a significant advantage, offering extra eyes and firepower against threats. Player interactions are a core part of DayZ. You'll encounter many other survivors. Decide if you want to be a friendly helper or a ruthless bandit. Building a secure base or a hidden stash can protect your hard-earned gear, but remember, they can be raided. Raiding other players offers great rewards but carries significant risks. Always adapt your strategies to the dynamic environment and the players around you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.